So far we have discussed about rainfall in Andhra Pradesh. So next we will discuss about flow of rivers and rivers. What is flow of rivers and rivers? Let us discuss about flow of rivers. Children, as you know, once rainfall is taking place, some of the water may percolate into the deeper soil. Some of the water may evaporate, but much of the water may run off, which means may flow on the surface. So where this water reaches? Do you have any idea? Yes. This runoff water, this water may reaches to the ponds or some streamlets. What is the streamlets? A thin streams are known as streamlets. Children, these thin streamlets may flow from the mountain regions to down area. Mountain regions, not only mountain regions. From higher area to low lying area, these streamlets may flow down. While it is flowing down, it may reaches to somehow much bigger streams. So these streams, once it reaches to the bigger rivers, these big streams, these flow is known as a tributaries. Once these streams are reaches to the bigger rivers, those called as a tributaries. What it is? Tributaries. Let us discuss some of the rivers in our state. Rivers or streams which join the larger rivers are known as a tributaries. We have so many tributaries are there. Children, let us see some of the important rivers in Andhra Pradesh. I would like to draw the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. So you may get some more knowledge regarding the rivers in our region, especially in our Telugu people speaking region. So this is Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh, erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, and as we know, this is our region. What region? Our Andhra Pradesh, bifurcated Andhra Pradesh. Children, we are having two big, right? Let us see some of the rivers in Andhra Pradesh. Most important river is Godavari. What it is? Godavari. This is Godavari. So this Godavari is having some tributaries. This is what? Godavari. River Godavari. Here for Godavari some tributaries are there. One of the tributaries Pranahita. What is Pranahita? This Godavari is a perennial river which flow throughout the year. Actually, this Godavari rises from Western Ghats. Next river is Krishna. What is Krishna? Here this is Krishna. Krishna is having one tributary, that is Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra tributary is there. And here Musi river is there. Musi, one of the tributary. And here children, Manjira is there. And another important river in Andhra Pradesh is Penna. Penna is having two tributaries. One is Papagni Other one is Chitravati. So Papagni, Chitravati is tributaries for Penna river. What river? Penna river. There are two perennials in Andhra Pradesh. One is Godavari, other one is Krishna. Children, this is Krishna. So Krishna tributaries is what? Tungabhadra. Godavari tributaries Pranahita. Krishna tributaries Tungabhadra, Musi. Here Penna tributary is there. For this Papagni, Chitravati, two tributaries are there. Children, in Andhra Pradesh we are having two perennial rivers. One is river Godavari, other one is river Krishna. Remind you children, while these rivers are flowing from this height area to down, low-lying area, these rivers and these riverlets and tributaries will flow very fastly. But whereas it reaches to the plain, the rivers loses its speed. So the river water may flow very slowly. Once it reaches to the plain, the river flows slowly. While it is slow, the river water may deposit the slit in the bed of the river. So slowly, once it reaches to the sea, very close to the sea, river almost become a very slow speed, and it forms like a delta. What it is? Delta. We are having two deltas in Andhra Pradesh, Godavari delta and Krishna delta. So Godavari and Krishna delta is here. Once it reaches to these rivers, to these deltas, then it will merges into the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. So here you can understand these rivers are there in Andhra Pradesh. Godavari, Krishna, Penna, and these tributaries. And these are having deltas. Between Godavari and Krishna delta, we are having one lake. In Andhra Pradesh, one lake is there. That is Kolleru. And here, the southern part of the Andhra Pradesh, we are having another lake. That is Lake Pulicat. But it is Lake Pulicat. Here the Lake Pulicat is salt lake, and here Kolleri is the freshwater lake. So these are about flow of rivers in Andhra Pradesh. This is what? Andhra Pradesh. What it is? Andhra Pradesh. Remind you, Eastwhile, Andhra Pradesh this is. And this is our nowadays Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.